Hello everyone, I'm John from Avlan. Today I'm here to talk about OneWeb App Space and will give you an overview of all the different OneWeb components embedded inside it and other advanced capabilities inbuilt inside an app space so that you can kickstart to create your web or mobile applications using the OneWeb platform. OneWeb App Space is a designer suite where you can see and use all the different capabilities of the OneWeb platform. So once you log in into the OneWeb App Space, let me show you how you can create and work on your web or mobile applications. Here you can simply click on the Create New button to start with your new application. OneWeb provides two platforms to build either web or mobile applications. For this demonstration, I will choose mobile to create a mobile app. If you would like to build a web application, you can simply choose web platform to proceed. Now you can provide the application name here. Let us say My Demo App 1. Give some abbreviation names here. The first two letters of this abbreviation will appear on your new application project created inside the app space. Namespace would automatically be created in the format which is com.ava.yourapplication-name. A namespace is important and later will be used when you will be deploying this application to either App Store or Play Store. This will also appear in the domain name once you test and preview your application using the browser. Now you can click on the Create button. As you can see, your application project is ready to be started on AppSpace. Now in AppSpace, you can find 4 different components using which you can create both the front end and back end for your web or mobile applications. Let me quickly go through each one of them. Start with Form. Form is mainly used to create smart forms. Smart Form is a dynamic digital form used to capture information online. Smart Forms combine the functions of paperwork, online forms with UX website design to make the information as easy as possible for users to provide. It also makes processes better and allows organizations like banks and insurance companies to bring a better user experience to their front end without overhauling their back-end processes. Let me show you an example of a smart form created with the OneWeb App Designer. This is how the configuration screen looks like, and you can simply drag and drop to choose from the design layout and available fields to design your smart form as required. Also, at any time during this design configuration phase, you can choose the options available on the top right corner to generate the previews and see how would it appears to your end users. To create a smart form from an app space, you can select Form, click on Create Form, give your form a name. You could write any description, which is optional, and click on the Start Design button. The system will now automatically redirect the user to the App Designer component of OneWeb. Now here you can create the smart forms as required. Now if you are using one component inside an app space and would like to go back to the home screen or switch to any other OneWeb component, this could be done by using an app switcher. This cube-shaped icon is called an app switcher. You can click on it and it will display all the 4 components that you see inside an app space. Once you start to build applications, your applications may consist of multiple OneWeb components in AppSpace. So using this app switcher, users can easily select and redirect to different components or redirect back to the AppSpace home. Let us move to the next component, which is Page. Page is mainly used to create UX UI designs for your web or mobile applications. So if you are looking to build web pages, websites, web systems, or mobile applications, you can start with creating a new page. To start a new page from an app space, you can select Page, click on Create Page, give your page some name and write any description if required. Click on Start Design button and the system will automatically redirect you to the Page Designer component of OneWeb. You can choose an option here to enable the mobile skin, and on the property menu, you can see all the available UI elements that you can drag and drop to create your UI design. Let me show you an example page created with the OneWeb Page Designer. At any time during your configuration, you can click on the play icon on the right top corner to generate a quick preview to test your applications. You can also scan a QR code to test your applications directly on your smartphone devices. Now let's move to the next component in the app space, which is Process. The process is used to design the back-end business processes, or we can call them business workflows. It offers a wide range of capabilities to drag and drop and design to automate your business processes with business process modeling notation. The objective of business process modeling notation, which is BPMN, is to support and ease the business process management for both technical and business users. Like other components, you can create a business process from AppSpace by selecting Process, then click on Create Process, giving them a name, and click on the Start Design button to redirect to the Process Designer component of OneWeb. Now here on the left menu, you will see all the essential tools and activity nodes available to drag and drop and create a business process. Let me show you an example process created with the OneWeb Process Designer. In this example sale process, the sales team is required to take approvals on sales from either the sales lead or the sales manager in different departments based on the different business conditions. Move to the next component, which is Microflow. Like process designers, Microflow help businesses to design and automate their back-end processes that do not require any human intervention. You can automate internal processes and could design an interface to any external systems using APIs. To build a new Microflow service from AppSpace, choose Microflow, click on Create Microflow, give your Microflow service a name, and click on Start Design button to redirect to the Microflow Designer. Now as you can see, like Process Designer, you will find all the available nodes to create and design your Microflow services. Let me show you an example of a Microflow service created with the OneWeb Microflow Designer. This is an example of microservice created for an application to send push notifications for both iOS and Android devices. This was just a very short brief of all designer components available inside a OneWeb AppSpace. As you can see, each of these components has its own significance and adds significant value to any business. Let me show you some more exciting features that you can access via AppSpace. Apart from the above capabilities, AppSpace also provides features such as version control, like taking snapshots at any point in time to save the current state of your projects. User can choose an option to take either full snapshots that include all the OneWeb components inside your application, or you can take the snapshot in patches, which means you can choose any of these components like form, page, process, or Microflow and can take an individual snapshots. You can also perform application deployment to multiple environments directly from AppSpace and do continuous integration and continuous deployment for your design applications. It's auto-integrated with OneWeb IAM, which is Identity Access Management, so that you can set control permissions for any objects or your application components directly from the AppSpace. It also eases team collaboration, where application owners can simply add new members or remove any existing members from their application projects. AppSpace is also equipped with tools like Database Designer to create ER diagrams, generate SQL queries, and Data Viewer to view data from the database directly via an AppSpace. OneWeb supports microservice and multi-cloud architecture. You can choose it to run on any cloud provider, build your pipelines using Pipeline Designer to create full DevOps cycle, all by using an AppSpace. To try our low-code technology and to log into the OneWeb AppSpace, you either required a OneWeb license subscription, or you can also apply for the free trial account by registering yourself with the beta program on our upcoming Head Start event. I hope to see you all. Thank you so much for watching.